Operation instruction: PCS-350III air duct cleaning robot. Install the brush. Install the power cord. Install the control cable to the control box and cleaning robot. Insert the power cord into the power outlet. Insert SD card. Turn on the power supply with the lock switch. Set time. Install the vacuum hose. Connect the vacuum cleaner. Turn on the vacuum cleaner. Control the robot movement through the joystick. Press the cleaning switch to start the cleaning work. Adjust the cleaning height. With the constant current source function, the motor won't be damaged in a continuous locked rotor state.